Hello everyone, and welcome to the AT and UDL Loan Library Tips and Tricks video. Today we're going to be talking about the Big Keys LX keyboard. My name is Allison Uzzle. I'm your training support specialist from the Loan Library Distribution Center in Port Orange, Florida. Let's go take a look. The Big Key keyboard is a simplified computer keyboard. It has 60 large keys and retains all the functions of a standard plug-in keyboard. So you may be wondering if the Big Keys keyboard is right for your student. According to the Big Keys website, the Big Keys keyboard is good for students who use inclusive technology, who are in speech therapy or occupational therapy, or special education. It also can grant access for persons with partial sight or visual impairment, learning disorders, cerebral palsy, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, autism, Down syndrome, arthritis and stroke, impairment of motor skills, or rheumatism. Some of the key features of the Big Keys keyboard are easy-to-read keys, the option to choose between the familiar QWERTY key layout or ABC layout. The keyboard also contains all essential keys and has no run-on, which means that every time the button is pressed, no matter how long, it only generates one character. And all you have to do is plug it in and use it. The Big Keys keyboard is also compatible with iOS, Macs, and Windows. Well, that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video about the Big Keys keyboard. Please keep an eye on our website every Tuesday for the tips and tricks videos from your fellow training support specialists at the Loan Library Distribution Center. Have a wonderful day.